parabolas on the x and the y, but not z. Oh, sweet action. How about some 9-2 parabolas? Hey, I got a question for you. Do you know what is a matador's worst nightmare? Give up? A parabola. Get it? It's a parabolas. Parables. Okay. Well, most of you probably don't know what a matador is. So get cultured, people. Get cultured. Here in 9-2, we're going to be going over parabolas. Yes, we've graphed these before, but we're actually going to be graphing some parabolas that are not just opening up and down, but also opening left and right. So let's start off with our definition of a parabola. Here we have our, whoops, that's not what I wanted. Let's stop right there. All right, we're back here. First thing is, a parabola is all set of points in a plane that have to be the same distance from a given point. This is a point called your focus and a line called your directrix. So we have a couple new terms here, focus and directrix. Focus is a point, directrix is a line. We already know this one, the line segment through the focus of a parabola and perpendicular to the axis of symmetry is called a latus rectum. The endpoints lie on your actual parabola. So what you have, and you have this on your formula sheet, this first column is when you have a parabola that is either opening up or down. Notice you have a y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. This is what we learned about standard form way back when. It opens up if a is greater than 0, opens down if a is less than 0. We should know that. Your vertex is hk, so whatever this number is, and that number. Your axis of symmetry, x equals h, so notice your x value of your vertex and x of your axis of symmetry is the same. This is new. Hey, like new stuff. Your focus is found by saying h comma k plus 1 over 4a. Well, where does that a come from? That comes from in front of your equation. And then your directrix, this is an equation, this is a line, don't forget. Your focus is a point. And so what we're going to have to do is find your equation for your line of your directrix. You take k minus 1 over 4a. So it's whatever this value is, your k, but you're subtracting 1 over 4a instead. And then your length of the latus rectum is your absolute values of 1 over a, so it's never negative. Now we're also going to have graphs that'll be opening left and right, so this is new. Always good to learn new stuff. Notice whenever you have a graph that opens left and right, you have an x equals. Oh snap. No longer a y equals, it's an x equals. You still have an a out in front of your parentheses, but notice inside your parentheses, now you have a y minus k, and then your h is on the outside, so not the same as when your graph is going up and down. Like I said before, don't fret, my pet. You will be able to use all of these when you're going to be able to use this formula sheet whenever you are graphing on a quiz and on a test. Your graph will open right if your a is greater than 0, and left if your a is less than 0. Your vertex is still hk. Now your axis of symmetry, this is a little bit different though. So in this case, though, your x, or your axis of symmetry is y equals k. Well, why is that a horizontal line? Well, that's because your graph is now opening horizontally, so you need a horizontal line to go through there. Your focus does have flip-flopped. Here is your directrix. Don't forget this is a line. Now this is going to be a vertical line in this case, so your vertex is going to be, or your directrix is somewhere out here, and then your latus rectum is the same. So that is your lovely little introduction to your new parabolas we're going to be dealing with here in 9-2.